Hey guys, ladies and gentlemen, hey boys and girls, hey all traders out there. Today is Monday and it's a very lovely day. It's here in United Kingdom. It's 6 a.m. It's 25th of June. We're just about to end our Q2, heading for our Q3. Now guys, this video is purposely for education. It's not signal providing service, and we're looking at trades and analysis and strategies based on a method of trading. If you don't know a method of trading, you can have a look in the book that I wrote a couple months earlier, January, the beginning of this year, where you look at the key trading strategies using by the best of the best in the market, the 10% ones. So if you're not sure where to get it, just go and get it on Amazon for about £8. That's a soft copy, and £12. That's a hard copy. Moving on, we're going to look at the key areas in the coming week. So we're already in the week already, guys. We're going to look at the key areas for this week, which are the best trades to take and which are the trades also to avoid. So before going to the technical analysis, let's have a look at economic theme, what's going on in the economy, the fundamentals, because you can't just jump to technical analysis without knowing what's going on in the world today. Alright, first and foremost is the trade war. The trade war between the US and China keeps on escalating and keeps on rumbling now. It's almost 5 months and it keeps on growing steadily. It's just there's no fucking solution about this issue, and it starts to weigh on major stocks in the US. So many CEOs have talked about this, especially the aluminium based materials companies. They've been voicing out how that affects their businesses, their operation. I say it's gonna affect the household, the last consumer of the US. So this trade war weighs lots on US equities. You start to see a lot of volatility coming in. If you look at the NASDAQ, S&P 500. So I won't talk much about that. It's up to you guys. Just have a look. Also the trade war, you see a sizable tax amount. It's almost I don't know, I think it was 10%, something like that. That is almost 200 billion worth of tax, which is massive. So yeah, guys, have a look at that. So also apart from that, is uncertainty with Brexit keeps on going on, and one of those are the key things I always tell people: do not trade cable because of this uncertainty with the Brexit. So many issues going on. You're gonna be caught up in the tiger's mouth. You don't want to trade anything that involves GBP or sterling. The rate hike coming in August is inevitable. We've seen almost 3 votes from the. We've seen 3 votes from the 7 members of the BOE. 5 left. No. 4 left for them to approve the voice on whether rate hike should happen or not. Gold looks weak, but not in terms of fundamentals, just in terms of technical and sentiment of the market. We should have expected with the trade war and what happens in US to see a drop in to see an appreciation in gold, but keeps on going down. This is because of the downtrend over the past month through that medium trend. This causes speculation in the market, and it's not a 100 fundamental base kind of price movement. Let's move on to technical analysis, guys. The first and foremost is gonna be Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar looks so beautiful. If you look at that, that's our weekly outlook. The price has entered this new kind of territory. We're expecting it to to respect these levels here. This is as our support level. Apart from that, we see this good funnel going downwards like that, and give us a bearish outlook of the Aussie dollar. So the way I see it is a further continuation towards a down. It's a downtrend for the Aussie dollar. For based on the weekly analysis, if you look at the daily analysis, yeah, as I say, it's a new. We're in the new territory now. It's testing this key support level, and you see it's kind of bounced back, but it keeps on going down. So there's a lot of bearish sentiment weighing on this pair. So guys, this is one of those interesting trades for this coming week. I'm looking forward to. I probably will short it based on this new territory and the weakness in the Aussie dollar. Another key trade for the week is USD Japanese yen. Yes, I love this trade. Last week I took it, gave me a really good return here. We're bouncing. Oh, sorry for that, guys. We're bouncing off this key downward trend resistance level. We had a double top here, 1 2. Now we're heading downwards. This is a very good example of price action right there. This is a no-brainer, guys. You wanna make money. This is the trade you wanna be in right now for this week. You wanna just short it. Don't do anything else. Just look for the nice setup on the intraday levels. So this is one of those interesting trades I'm looking for this week. Apart from that is, let me look at the Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD is so interesting here. We just came out of this key support level now. The market looks like it wants to go up, but we see there's a key resistance level. I told some of my friends and some of my followers last week in the midweek that could be a potential reversal area, but that's just a short term. But if you trade based on the price action, this is the place you want to place your trade, because you want to short because of key resistance level here. But it's gonna be a short time, but we're expecting a higher move towards here. So my bias for this week is bearish for this pair. Last but not least, let's look at USD card. Where are you? Oh, USD card. Honestly, there's not much going on with this currency, with this pair. And the reason I don't want to trade it is because of it's on this kind of zombie zone, we call it, where it's like on the limbo, in the middle of nowhere. You just can't have any reliable trade to take on these pairs. It's just there. So anyways, guys, that's it for this week. Thank you for your undivided attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like us, share, tell a friend who wants to join in our trading platforms to want to start trading, and can join our trading learning platforms. I do host every week. So yeah, guys, please give us a thumbs up and support us. Thank you, and have a great week. Hey guys, ladies and gentlemen.